Hey, this is all about stocks. My name's Alan. Let's take a look at the stock market today. And here's my disclaimer. So, the stock market in the European section, they're having a very big drop, 1% or more in some cases. I just want to explain why it could be. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. About a week ago or so, I believe it was on Sunday, I posted the economic calendar. I went over that we're going into a contraction. Contraction is where it drops below a 50% reading on S&P index, gold, and manufacturing, so forth. So it's been here for about a month, give or take. So this is not surprising. Um, with that, it's kind of about time we actually hit into the drop. We've actually kind of been rising probably because of shorts. The news has been saying it's been going up for whatever reason. But I would imagine everyone's been shorting the market, and because of the shorting of the market, then people buying it pushes it up. That's just my guess. Now, um, I'm gonna pause it real quick. Sorry, I'm still learning editing tricks. I do apologize. So, I went to the 5 day calendar or 5 day spread here, and you can just see the drop right here on, I believe that's 16th. So, that's probably going to be your top right around there on the 368 here, 368, 369. So if you caught that dip, that's great. And here's the big question: should you buy this dip? Um, there's an option for, I believe it's tomorrow, for the QQQ. I would imagine SPY and Dow have the same. They usually run tandem. Uh, love all the pop-ups here. I don't know if I would buy these. I would imagine that now the shorts do have control of the market. I'd just either stay out, hold the cash, and buy after it's hit 5-6% down. Or if you're feeling gutsy, go ahead and short the market. I don't know if I'd try to buy these dips. It's looking kind of in free fall. Now, like I said, European markets, they're already down 1-2% in some cases. So it's one of those things. Is how are you feeling with that? The VIX is up 24% or at 24. So the dollar's going up, VIX is going up, and the sorry, mind blank here. The TLT, that's going up. TLT is just, in case you don't know, that's just the treasury bond. That's 10 to 20 year, and 10 years what usually hits QQQ. It probably hits SPY pretty good too. 5 to 10 year usually does pretty good on SPY and QQQ. So if you're planning on trading on SPY or on QQQ, make sure you watch TLT, IEF, STIP. They all tend to work tandem on your positions there. But the dollar's really going up in the last. Let's see here. Let me see if I can pull that up. Yeah, there we are. So on 5 days, that's your 5 day jump. That's a pretty good jump just in 5 days. And I would imagine that that's going to keep on jumping up. And they're saying that the dollar wasn't going to pass 92.50, and I think that kind of got blown out of the water right 92.50 right there. So it stayed there for a few days and then it just took off. So that's news for you. All right, well, if you made it this far, please like and subscribe. I do have links for Robinhood and Webull in my description. And please take a moment, leave a comment. If there's any stocks you'd like me to take a look at, let me know. Thank you. Have a great day.